Hi beauties, welcome back to my channel. So today guys, this unit is from the Janet collection. The name of this wig is Juliana. This wig is from Elevate Styles. If you all are interested in this wig, I will leave a link down in the description box so you all could check that out. So guys, this is the card on the wig. This wig do have two sisters, two shorter version to this style. So this is how the wig came. And guys, I really like this curl pattern. It is so gorgeous. So guys, you do get a lace parting. I will have to go in and pluck that a little. You do get two combs in the front and one comb in the back with adjustable straps, and the unit is big head friendly. So yeah guys, I'm just gonna pop this wig on and show you guys how I style this wig. So yeah guys, this is how I style this wig. I went ahead and tweezed the parting a little and add some powder. I really love this wig. It's really soft. The curl pattern on this is very gorgeous. I love it. But what I will say, if you do not like big hair, do not comb out this wig, because the more you comb it out, the more bigger it gets, and this wig is going to tangle guys. So I really love it. It's really gorgeous. So yeah guys, if you all enjoy this video, don't forget to thumbs up, don't forget to share and subscribe to my channel. And if you are interested in this wig, I will leave a link down in the description bar down below, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.